Sí, 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 estoy flipando, porque me respondió a eso. Pero.
Sí, yo no soy capaz de ni abrir la puerta de la madre.
No.
Es infantil, la movilidad.
No, hombre, pero. De momento no nos vamos a ver qué es.
Tampoco tengo mucho. No sé si tiene que ser más pesado.
We are now in the western part of the Oslo fjord, with many beautiful islands surrounding us. The large island next to the boat is the second largest island in the inner Oslo fjord. It is called Austøya, and mostly consists of forest. But there are also private summer houses, and actually an 18-hole golf course, which was established on the island in 1964. The island was named after the family Aust, who lived out here for many years. Their family graveyard is on the island, and 5 generations of Austs have been laid to rest there.